Three, two, one, guys, we are back again. Look at this. Today is 10th July. Today is Friday. So we are coming to end. The week have came to end. So look at this, how it looks like. Just wanted to recap the things. So in the GBP USD, we were waiting for the break on the 1 hour time frame. If we go on the 1 hour time frame, we were literally waiting for the pretty much a break and then retest. We did got a small break, but that break was not even considered. So we haven't took the trade. Haven't took the trade right there. So avoided the loss right here just because I feel like it is not a good, and it turns out in my favor, brother. We have avoided the loss right there. Next was CHF Oh, it is. We were waiting for this to get happen, break and then retest. So now it technically breaking right now. Retest is going to get happen pretty soon. Um, and the market is going to get over. So it looks beautiful for the next week. Look at this. Just oh my god, this is brilliant. This is brilliant. I want to show you this. See. Next week, we're going to make money for sure. Trust me, we're going to make money. Because if I say that has to happen, because I don't say just to say. Look at this. Now, let's delete all of this. How this pattern looks like: break, retest, doji. So let's go on my trading software. Um, Actually, I also want my face to get included. So let me just open the software right here because I can't go. I can go on my trading software, but my face is not going to come. So I have to open in over here only. So look, you won't believe what is going to get happen, brother. If I'm opening my trading software, the software which is created to tell me where to buy, where to sell, is this good or not. Now, the software is not lagging. Look at the fucking net speed. It's just 200 kbps. I have kept my phone inside the house. It should be outside of the house. Trading software. If you click on this, it is ongoing trading software right here. And this is for sale, right? Weekly is bearish, man. This is brilliant. This is fucking brilliant. You won't believe, yeah. So look at this. Look at this. Like, let me just go over here. We are weekly is bearish. Yeah, what type of model is this? Okay, let's go. We got the break. Okay, we got the blue candle retracement. We got the we red candle doji. We got this is the exact same pattern. Look at this. We got the break, we got the one blue candle retracement, and we got the doji. This is exact same thing which is happening right now. We got the blue candle retracement and we got the red candle doji. Look at this. We got the blue candle, we got the doji. That means this is the software. This is the exact software we're going to use to take this trade, and this is going to be a next week beautiful trade. And guess what? JPY currency is going to be my number one currency for the next week. Look at this now. Right now for today's CHF JPY, yeah, this week. Let's talk about this week. So we were waiting for. Oh my God, this is brilliant. This is brilliant. I can see it's coming. I can literally see it's coming. Where my red candle is. This is going to do this. In the next week, it's going to do this. Fuck, man. This is going to do this. And we're going to convert $20 into $60 for sure. We're going to start our growing challenge from $20 to $8,000 challenge, man. This is coming. This is coming, man. This is crazy. If you go on 1 hour time frame, man, this is beautiful. So what is going to get happen now? It is going to have the retracement, and then it's going to have the push to downside. Then it is going to have the retracement, and I probably guess so we'll be taking this trade on Monday or Tuesday in the next week. This is beautiful, which will create the lower high. We got the break, we got need to create the lower high, then it create a new lower low, then it will be retracing, taking the trade right there. Brilliant. Brilliant right there. B. Like, I just love this. CHJPY is going to be probably my number one trade is going to be. Beautiful. This is daily candle is going to close under this area, under this box. Then we can take the trade. I love it. I love it. I just love it. Next, man, I look so beautiful in this. Next, this week we were waiting. Yeah, we have just come up here to talk about this week. We were waiting for the break and then retest. It never happens. Never took the trade right there. Love it. Next is USJPY. USJPY. I was having the very much gut feeling because we have created the weekly doji, so it should be keep continue to go to the downside, which shows me that it is not it. I mean, we were waiting for the daily candlestick close on this box. It didn't close. It caused it gone up, so didn't took the sell trade right here. Yeah. Um, Still looking good. If this candlestick close under this box, we'll be keep selling it from here to here. The only thing is going to be that we will be creating one more. Looks like we are going to create one more doji because this is going to come down, right? Daily is going to come down for closing purpose, so it's going to be a doji. This looks solid. This also looks solid. This is also going to come down, and I believe if you go on a CHF if you go over here and if we just scroll this upside and if we scroll this down, it's going to sell. Man, this is crazy. I love when my prediction matches with this. It's crazy. This is, and I probably guess so. At the at the start of the week, it's going to be not sell. It's going to be into strong sell direction. I love it. I just love this. Okay, not gonna lie, we're going to make money because if I see that has to happen. Rejecting this crazy. We got the evening star. My so yeah, this is it. This is it. I literally haven't took any trade for this week because market haven't done the thing which I wanted. But tell you that we have avoided the loss. Three losses right here. The first loss right here we have avoided because we were waiting for the beautiful break and retest. Never happened. Never took the trade. See, as a JPY, we were waiting for the break and then we were waiting for the retracement. While retracement, we were waiting for the engulfing. Never happens, never took the trade. Avoided the second loss right here. Beautiful, even the time was awesome. 6:30. We have avoided a loss right here as well. Two losses avoided. USDJPY. Beautiful, man, this is crazy. USDJPY, we're waiting for the break and then retest. It never happens. Never took the trade on USDJPY. So three trades we have predicted and we were waiting for a certain number of things to get happen. Well, it didn't happen, didn't took the trade. If I just haven't stick to the trading plan and I end up taking this trade, I would end up having three losses this week. Just by sticking to the trading plan, I have avoided the three losses in a row. Just crazy, man. Just start this video from start. If you're watching the full video, so just start it from start. Say what I said and what I was waiting for, and that this that candle never happens. So I just didn't took the trade. By waiting for that particular thing, I have avoided the loss. The same exact thing you should learn from yourself, implement this, and also start avoiding the losses because this is not a matter of like how much money you're going to make. It's a matter of how much money you're going to keep after making it. If you make money and if you again next day you're going to lose that, what the fuck is this? It doesn't even matter. Alright, boys, this video is coming to end. Signing off. Peace. And 90% of time I just look to myself only. If I don't know how it feels if I just stare at my camera. I don't know how it looks like. Signing off, boys. Let's come back tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to do the Sunday swing, and I believe it's going to be awesome. I can see 90% of the trades which is going to come. 90% of setups are getting ready for tomorrow. So I'm just waiting for it to come. Tomorrow very excited to see the too excited to do the trading analysis. Signing off, boys. Let's meet in the next week. Next week, live trading.